Welcome to KTU Online Study App. So today we are going to see the topics on mathematics for Group A student. Okay. So what are the syllabus? See, what are the main thing we want to know before entering into the college life? So when you have completed your school life, you have gone through some kind of syllabus that is limit. Okay, limit you have went through and ordinary differential equation, that is differential equation. Then what are the topic you have went through? Integration. So these are the maxima and minima. Function. So these are the topic you have went through in your school life also. So same topic only when you are entering into your college life, we are having the same kind of syllabus with additional topics also there. Okay. Then there are the another foundation you will be learning about the matrix. Okay, so matrix which we have learned in our school life also, the same thing here also we are going to learn about the matrix. The matrix is about what? The row and column. So this is the thing you have going to learn in here also. Ordinary differential equation. Here we are going to learn about partial differential equation. There will be little bit variation. So let me decode the syllabus. So what are the syllabus for Group A student? That is mathematics for information science. Okay, that is Group A student. Okay. Syllabus is dealing with what? Limit of a function value. Continuity. If you know about limit, how to identify limit, this connected topic is continuity. Because if a limit is exceeds only, one of the condition for continuity is limit is exceeds or not. That is the thing you want to identify. So if you are aware about limit, continuity is very easy. Okay. Then what about rate of change? Rate of change, they are indicating about dy by dx, which we have learned in our school life. That is nothing but what? This is nothing but ordinary differential equation. That is differential equation. Okay. Then derivative is nothing but differentiation at a point. Differentiation, derivative at a point means they will be giving, we want to identify dy by dx at a point. They will be giving 1 comma 2. Then you want to substitute the point 1 comma 2. This is called as derivative at a point. And derivative as a function, that means they will be giving in the function form. That is f of x is equal to x cube. They will be giving f of x is equal to x cube. This is nothing but what? Function. Okay, this is nothing but function. So when they are giving function, you want to differentiate the function. That is called derivative as a function. That means f dash of x is nothing but what? 3x square. So we know the formula. What is the formula? That is differentiation of x power n is what? That is nothing but n into x power n minus 1. The same formula only we are going to apply when they are asking the function. Okay, that is called as derivative as a function. Now second order and higher order derivative. Means they are indicating about second order higher order derivative means we know the thing dy by dx, we know the thing. Second order means the order will be increasing. Again you are differentiating. We are differentiating. Okay, again we are differentiating means it is called as second order. Again and again, based on the order, if it is like this way, dq by dx cube. So this is the thing, means order is 3. That means you want to differentiate it for 3 times. That is example. If I want, I will be teaching example. They are asking y is equal to x cube. This is the example. Okay, treat it as. So when you are solving it, what we will be having? Dy by dx is equal to what we will be getting? 3 into x square. Then again when you are differentiating, it will become d square y by dx square is equal to, it will become 3 into 2x power 1. So again when you are differentiating, it will become 2 into, when you are differentiating, it will become 6 into 1. So this is the thing. This is called, this is what? This is order number 1, order 1 This is order 2, order 2, this is order 3, order 3. So this is the type they will be asking in this syllabus. This is the thing they are asking, higher order derivative or second order derivative. Second order means d square y by dx square, that is called second order. Higher order means third, fourth, fifth they are asking. That is the syllabus they have given. Okay, instant rate of change, that is also nothing but what, rate of change, similar thing only. You want to know about the differentiation. Then chain rule, very important topic in here is chain rule. That means you want to differentiate in a chain rule format. Okay, chain rule, chain rule means you want to differentiate. They will be asking the question using chain rule. That is nothing but what, you want to do the differentiation but in a chain order. Okay, for example, if I asking means y is equal to, they will be asking r x square plus x r cube. This is the thing they are asking. And here, and r is equal to t and x is equal to 3t square. This is the question they will be asking. That means you just think chain rule means, that is y is depending upon, see, if you want to know the value of y, if we want to know the value of, know the value of y, what we will be do, we will be depend upon, we will depend on r and x. We will be depending on r and x. If you want to know the r and x, we will be depending upon, if we want to know about r and x, we will be depending upon, we will be depend on t. So from here we can be able to say this is called chain. That means when you want to know the value of y, you will be depending upon r and x. When you want to know the value of r and s, you will be depending upon t. So this is this kind of method we will be calling as chain rule. We will be using what, we will be using partial derivative also here, ordinary differential equation also we will be using. Okay, now what is the syllabus? Then implicit differentiation, that means taking differentiation in one direction. Okay, dy by dx in one direction you will be taking. Everything in this chapter is everything what you have learned in your school life. And tangent and normal line, tangent and normal line is very simple topic. That is, you want to know is what, you want to know about the equation of the tangent line. That is, equation of the tangent line will be, equation of the tangent line, equation of tangent line and normal line. Equation of tangent line and normal line is, that is nothing, y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x0. This is equation of tangent line. And y minus y0 is equal to minus 1 by m x minus x0. This is nothing but normal line. So this is the syllabus, equation of tangent line, equation of normal line. This is the thing you are going to apply in your question. So now what is m? M is nothing but slope. Slope is what, dy by dx. This is nothing but what, differentiation. M is what, m is nothing but dy by dx. M is nothing but what, slope. M is nothing but slope. And they will be giving the point 1 comma 2, that is x0 y0. You just want to apply in the equation of tangent line and equation of normal line. That is the only thing, very simple topic, and it carries the 4 mark or 5 mark area. Now then linearization also very simple topic. You want to know the formula, that is also dealing with what, differentiation. That is, linearization formula is L of x is equal to f of x, that is function of x, plus f dash of a, L of a, f of a into x minus a. So this is the formula. This is the formula if you have apply, that is called linearization. This is linearization formula. That is, from here what you understand, the syllabus is very much connectivity. If you know the limit and function, continuity is very simple. If you know the differentiation formula, rate of change, that means derivative. If you know the derivative formula, higher order derivative and second order derivative is very easy, and instant rate of change is also very easy to identify. If you know the order of derivative, it is very much connected to what, chain rule. If you know the chain rule and if you know the formula of ordinary differential equation, tangent and normal lines are very easy. Then linearization also very easy. And when it comes to concavity, concavity is also very easy topic. That is, you want to know the formula. Here also you know to know the formula, that is f double dash of x. This is the thing they are expecting. That means it is connected to higher order derivatives. Okay, that means the first syllabus is entirely connected. If you know the ordinary differential equation formula, it is very simple topic when it comes to first model. And the formula is also very repeated formula. The maximum formula you can able to expect in this problem is x power differentiation of x power n, that is nothing but n into n minus 1. This is the formula you can able to explain. Then differentiation of cos ax, that is nothing but a minus a into sin ax. And differentiation of sin ax, that is nothing but what, a into cos ax. And differentiation of e power of ax is what, a into e power of ax. So these kind of formulas are going keep on will be repeating. Okay, if you know this minimum formula, this is the minimum formula. Okay, if you know about this minimum formula, it is plenty, it is enough to solve this entire module. And this is semester is completely very easy semester. Okay, so this is dealing about module 1. And the module 1 will be module 1 will carries 15 mark. Okay, carries 15 mark. That is 15 mark is from 6 mark, that is 2 3 mark you will be carrying, that is 3 plus 3 mark problem, and one 4 mark plus 5 mark, that is 9 mark problem. Either it will be totally 4 plus 9 or it will be 9 mark problem. That is, I am again explaining the each module 1 there will be 2 3 mark problem, 3 mark problem. There will be 2 3 mark problem that carry 6 mark. Okay, then there will be option will be there you can able to expect 4 plus 5, that is totally 9 marks. So when you are adding totally, first module carries 15 marks, and the second module also carrying 15 marks, and third module 15 marks, and fourth is also 15 mark. Totally you are going to write the exam for 60 mark. Okay, 60 mark is your total, and other marks are carries based on the internal and assignment. Okay, other 40 marks based on internal marks plus assignment and attendance. Okay, these are the marks that it will be carrying. Okay, so first module 15 marks, second module 15 mark, third module 15 mark, and fourth 15 mark, totally 60 marks. Okay, so now in first module, what are the important topics? So you know that thing, it is connected. We know that thing, it is connected. That is, limit is connected with continuity, ordinary differential equation is connected with the chain rule, and concavity, linearization, chain rule. These are everything are connected with the ordinary differential equation. Okay, now what are the topic we can able to expect for the 3 mark and for 5 mark and 4 mark? So syllabus, limit and continuity. Limit and continuity we can expect for a 3 mark problem. And rate of change. Rate of change means nothing but ordinary differential equation. This is also carries 3 mark. And differential equation. Okay, differential equation, that is they are calling as a derivative at a point. So these are carries 3 marks area. These are the 3 mark area we can expect. Then what are the topic we can expect for 5 mark? That is, first one is concavity. Very simple topic. That is, you want to differentiate with respect to function. That is a 2 time you want to do the differentiation. That is a very easy topic, concavity. This is sometime it is carries 5 or 4 mark. Okay, sometime it will be carries 4 or 5 mark. Then chain rule, very important concept. Chain rule, very simple. It is also carries 4 or 5 marks. Okay, it is depending upon mark will be varying. Okay, depending upon the question, the mark will be varying. And third one, linearization, it's depending upon the question, there will be chances of 2 mark or even for 4 mark area. can be a 2 mark or a 4 mark area. Then what are the syllabuses is left out? Concavity, and very very important topic is equation. This is you can able to expect equation of normal line and tangent line, normal and tangent line. This is also 4 mark. So these are the area for module 1. This is the module 1 topic. Okay, module 1 topic. Now we'll decode the module 2 syllabus. Now module 1 is entirely dealing with what? Limit and continuity, ordinary differential equation. If you know the differential equation, it is very easy, and I have told you, you want to learn very few formula. Okay, very very few formula you want to learn. That is this much formula only you want to learn. It is very easy to learn that thing also. Okay, now we will move to the module 2. See, module 2 is continuity of module 1. Module 2 is continuity of module 1. How I am saying means, here they are asking about function of several variables. That is the thing they have asked. That means in previous case, in first module we have learned about f of x, means here we will be learning about f of x comma y. That is called several variables. Several means more than one variable. Variable means what? X is a variable. So several variable means it is indicating about x, y, or it can be f of x comma y comma z. This is the indicating of several variable. Then you are going to learn about domain and range. Domain and ranges we will going to learn. It is very easy topic. Then level curve of two variables, that is also just you want to learn the formula. Okay, then limit of limit for the functions of two variable. In previous module we have learned about the limit, but it is in a single variable, that is x variable or a z variable or a t variable. But here we will be learning about two variable, that is x comma y. Okay, that is the thing they have given. And continuity of function, same thing I told you, no, connected, everything is connected. Now here one more important concept you are going to learn is partial derivative. Okay, partial derivative. Partial derivative, very very important for the engineering syllabus. Partial derivatives. Partial derivative means we know the thing. See, ordinary differential equation. Okay, differential equation. It is divided into two parts. Same formula, same thing only. Okay, so first one is we will be calling is ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation, and this one we will be calling it partial differential equation or derivatives. Okay, or derivatives. Ordinary differential equation, partial differential. You want to know the difference between both the things. Here y is equal to x. Here y is equal to x plus z plus 1. Here x plus 1. So when you are differentiating here, when you are differentiating the ordinary differential equation, we will be getting dy by dx is equal to, we will be getting what? 1. Constant, when you are differentiating, it will become 0. Similarly, here what will happen means, here y is depending on x comma z. Okay, this is z. X comma z. That means dou y by dou x comma dou y by dou z. That means here the partial derivative means the y value, that is a dependent variable, is depending upon more than one or two variable. More than here two or more variable. Two or more independent variable. Independent variable. Here that means example y is equal to x plus 1 means this is the ordinary differential equation. Y is equal to x plus 1 means if I writing x is equal to 1, what is y value? Y will become 2. And if I writing x is equal to 2 means what will become y? Y will become 3. That means that is y is a dependent variable of x. That is here x can be any number. X can be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or minus 1, any number. That is x is an independent value. X is a independent value variable. Independent variable. Similarly here x is what? X and z is what? Independent variable. That is two or more independent variable means we will be calling it what? Partial derivative. You are doing partial derivative differentiation only, but with respect to what? With respect to x, with respect to z you are doing. Okay, so this is the difference between ordinary and partial differential equation. Very very important topic. So if you learn the partial derivative, then in partial derivative also you will be learning about first order and second order. Then mixed derivative theory means that is also connected with what? Partial derivative only. Then here also we are learning about same chain rule only. Okay, here also chain rule with respect to two variables. So I have told you know, when you're learning the first module is entirely connected to the second module. Okay, the extra thing is partial derivative. Partial derivative is nothing but differentiation with respect to x with respect to z, that is it depends upon independent variable. Okay, now we will go to the module 3. In module 3 also there they have mentioned, see, everything's are connected chain rule, but they are asking about three variable. Then just you want to know the formula, directional derivatives formula. Directional derivatives, gradient means this is nothing but about vector you are learning. Okay, vectors we have learned in our school, that is a vector plus ai vector plus bj vector plus ck vector, and we have learned about the dot product, cross product. What is dot product? That is a dot b vector means we are multiplying the coefficient of I vector and j vector, that we will be dealing in our syllabus. When we are entering into the syllabus, we will be learning about the dot product means what is cross product? Cross product means what? A cross b vector, that is cross product means we will be knowing about the matrix. Okay, that is very important. Then properties of directional derivatives, local extreme value of function of two variables, the same thing here also. This is nothing but about partial derivative, local extreme value for the function of two variable, extreme, relative extreme. These are critical point, saddle point. These are entirely indicating about what you want to know about the partial derivative. If you know about the partial derivative, this topic you want to learn about the procedure. The procedure will be very simple. Just you want to procedure is critical point you want to identify. Critical point you want to identify. How to identify critical point means it is very simple. You want to know about the partial derivative, though with respect to x, partial derivative with respect to y. This will be equal to 0, equal to 0. This is the thing you want to identify. From here we will be getting the critical point. Then for this is step number 1, this is step number 2, and this is step number 3. Step number 3 is partial derivative higher order. Higher order, when you are completing the higher order, just you want to apply the points. The critical point you want to apply, critical point you will be getting, that point you want to apply. Then you want to say whether it is local maxima or local minima or x saddle point. This is the thing entirely about the syllabus. Okay, absolute maxima entirely about the putting the points in that area. Okay, so I told you know the partial derivative is connected with this module 3. Okay, now we'll go to the module 4. Module 4 is entirely about drawing the graph. Okay, once you have know how to identify the maxima and minima, if you know the meaning of maxima and minima in this chapter, it is very easy topic, because this is nothing but graphical method. You are drawing the diagram. Okay, there will be bounded region, unbounded region. Here the entire thing is about the graph. This graphic method we have learned in our college school life also. Okay, so this is very important and very easy topic to score the full mark. Okay, and I have told you how the question pattern will be there. That is, there will be 4 3 mark. The question will be like 8 3 mark question. 8 into 3, that is 24, and we will be getting 9 4 mark question, that is 4 mark question, that is we will be getting 36, totally 60 mark. The pattern will be there. Okay, so module 1 there will be 3 3 mark question, and module 2 there will be 2 3 mark question, and module 3 there will be 2 3 mark question. Everywhere equally they are sharing. Okay, 3 3 mark question, and there will be option, there will be choosing option. You can able to choose any one in the part 2. That is part 2 is entirely about, part B is about 9 mark question. That is you will be getting 11A, for example 9A you will be getting, and the same time B option also you will be getting. A will be carrying 9 marks, and B will be also carrying the 9 marks or question. You can choose A or B question. Similarly 10 also you will be getting A or B question. Okay, you can choose A or B. Okay, you will get the option also which one you want to see. But my advice is you try to prepare each and every topic, because in group A it is very very simple topic when you are preparing. Thing is everything's are connected. Okay, so today this is the introduction of how you are entering into the college, about the mathematics syllabus and how to score maximum mark. Okay, now we will go to the one small topic, that is limit of a function. Okay, limit of a function. So limit of a function value, that is they will be giving the function f of x, they will be giving the value f of x. We say that thing f of x approach the limit L as x approaches to c, and that is the limit formula will be, that is limit x is approaches to c. That means approaches meaning means it is near to c. Okay, for example, one they have given means it is in left hand direction or in right hand direction, any direction it is near to 0.99, and here it is we can say 1.001. so this is very close to what it is, these both the values are very close to 1, very close to 1. Okay, so that is the thing, x approaches to c means it is very close to 1, so that's the reason we are taking as what 1. F of x is equal to L. Okay, this is the limit formula. Okay, so now some basics in limit we want to know. In limit there is an identical function and constant function is there. For example limit x is approaches to 3 and 3, this is the thing x, that means what is the value of, what is the value x is approaching, the same value only you are getting was s, same value only we are getting for L, that is L is also 3. When you are approaching x is what, x is approaches to 3, in place of x I am writing, in place of x I am substituting 3. So what is limit x approaches to 3 when f of x is equal to x, that is nothing but what we are getting 3. So L equal to 3, that means this is called what, constant function. I just saying the same value only you are getting here. What is x approaches to, x approaches to 3 and you are getting the L value also 3 means that is we are calling it what, constant function. Okay, or are we, no, this is identical function, this is identity function, this is identical function. And same thing limit 4 x approaches to 7, that means f of x is equal to here 4, whatever the value when you are substituting here you will be getting L equal to 4 only. Reason it is a constant function, let it be here limit x approaches to 4, here it can be 10, that means our answer L is what, L is equal to 10 only, L equal to 10 only. Reason it is a constant function, whatever the value x is approaching it is not at all bothering. Okay, because for constant value we will be taking constant only. Okay, so now there are certain formulas there, we want to know that thing. This is not big, very simple formula which we have learned in our school life also, that is sum rule means what we will be adding, that is two limit they are giving, that is limit f of x they have given plus limit g of x. We know the thing, limit f of x is what, L. What is limit g of x, we will take another symbol, that is m, that is L plus m is nothing but limit f of x plus g of x, that is the thing, that is called as L plus m. Division rule, that is different rule means what, different rule means we are subtraction, that is nothing but L minus m. Constant multiply rule, that means constant multiply rule means we are multiplying by some constant, that is it can be 2 or 3 or any value, that is constant multiplication, that is limit k into f of x is equal to kl. Okay, that's the thing. Now product rule means limit f of x into g of x, that is you are multiplying, what is f of x, L, what is g of x, that is m. That's the thing. Now here only you want to be very careful, very very important thing is quotient rule. And why it is very very important means, that is limit f of x divided by limit g of x. See, limit f of x, g of x, you will be getting L divided by m. But here very very important condition, limit should be, see, limit, if your limit is exceeding, limit is exceed means it should be defined. Okay, it should be defined. Defined means it should be any real number. Defined means it should be a real number. Okay, it should be a real number. But when you are saying some value divided by 0, for example 2 divided by 0 is what? Infinity. 2 divided by 0 is what? Infinity. Infinity is what? We don't know, it is undefined value. Infinity is undefined, it is an undefined. But according to limit exceeds, we need defined. Okay, we need defined. So that is the reason here is a very important condition is there, that is m is not equal to 0. That is very very important, because limit should be defined. I will be telling what are defined. Okay. Okay. Now power rule means just writing the power, L power n. Root means you know the thing, the same concept only. This is the thing we have learned in our school life. We'll directly go to the defined meaning. Okay. So limit exceeds. For limit exceed, we need what? Defined or not. Defined or not, we want to check. If it is defined, it is limit exceed, or it is does not exceed. Does not exceed. Does not exceed if it is undefined. Okay, it is undefined. It is undefined, it is does not exceed. Otherwise limit is exceed when it is defined. Defined means what? Defined is nothing but define means it is about real numbers. Okay, real numbers. So now you will have a question, what is real number? This is also we have learned in our school life, that is 6th and 7th standard we have learned. What is real number? Real numbers, see, we know about the natural number. Natural number start with 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the natural numbers. These are the natural numbers. Now this is natural number. Now when you are adding 0, we will be calling the whole number. This is whole number. Whole number. Then about integer, -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this way. Minus negative values including 0, it is called as what? Integer. Integer. Then we will be having what? Rational number and irrational number. Rational numbers and irrational number. Irrational numbers. So these are everything are included in what? These are everything are included in real numbers. Okay, real numbers. Real numbers. So whenever limits are in real number, we will be calling it what? It is defined. Whenever limits are getting in real number, we will call it as defined. Limit exceeds are defined. Okay, it is very very important because it connected with what? Continuity. I told you limit is connected with continuity. So this is the basics thing. Okay, now we'll go to the problem. Very very simple concept only we can able to learn. Okay, so when it comes to problem number 1, so problem number 1, what is they have given? So first write the given. Always write the given limit x approaches to -3 x square minus 13. Okay, two method we can able to solve this method. Directly when you are applying, what will happen? X is approaches to here x is approaches to -3. That means x is equal to what? -3. Okay, x is equal to -3. So in place of x, I am going to we are going to replace x by -3. So just replace it. What will happen? X approaches to -3, we will be getting -3 the whole square. In place of x only I am replacing x. Okay, in place of x only I am replacing -3. So -3 the whole square. Okay, should be very careful. -3 the whole square minus 13. So what is -3 the whole square? That is -3 into -3. We can able to use the calculator in the exam hall. Okay, so you can able to do the multiplication or any kind of calculation in the calculator even. Okay, -3 into -3 will be getting 9. So limit x approaches to minus 3, so 9 minus 13, so we will be getting L is equal to minus 4, L equal to minus 4. This is the way we can able to write. Okay, so like this way also we can able to write the answer. This is also correct way, but when you are writing in a step way method, it will be carries extra marks. That is how to write in step number 1. Write the given limit x approaches to minus 3, x square minus 13, x square minus 13. So we can split it because this is in what different rule, difference rule. If you want, you can able to split it, or you can able to try in first method. Both are correct only, both the method you will be getting same thing only, but it is look like some kind of presentation, it will be attract the examiner. Okay, so now you can split like this way. Limit x approaches to minus 3, x square minus, here minus symbol is there, so limit x approaches to minus 3, here 13, and we know that thing, this is what constant function, this is constant function. So constant function means whatever the value x is approaching, we will be getting the same constant only, no? So we will be getting here 13 only, here minus. So limit x approaches to minus 3, here we will be getting minus 3 the whole square. So what will happen? It is nothing but 9 minus 13. So at last L is equal to what? L is equal to minus 4. This is our required answer. Okay, this is step number 2 and this is step number 3. So they will be asking for 3-mark problem. Okay, 3 marks. So step 1, step 2, step 3. We will be carrying each step. We will be carrying the 3 mark. Okay. Now we will come to the problem number 2. It is very simple problem. Just what is the thing they have asked? Given limit t is approaches to c. T is approaches to c. 8 into t minus 5 into t minus 7. So we know that thing. This is what product rule. Product rule, because multiplication, no, 8 into bracket, 8 into bracket, that is multiplication, bracket means multiplication. So we can split it to step number 2, that is limit t approaches to 6, 8 into limit t approaches to 6, t minus 5, limit into limit t approaches to 6, t minus 7. So what we will be getting? Constant. Whatever the thing t is approaching, constant means it is nothing but what? This is constant function, no? So we will be getting 8 only, 8 into, when here applying, it will become limit t approaches to 6, that is 6 minus 5 into limit t approaches to 6, that is 6 minus 7. So 8 into what we will be getting here? L is nothing but 1 we will be getting. So 1 into m is what? M is equal to, we will be getting minus 1. So minus 1. So ultimately what is the answer? Answer is minus 8. Ultimately the answer is what? Minus 8. Now we'll move on to the problem number 3. So problem number 3, what is the thing here? Limit x is approaches to minus 2. That is, we can able to split, or directly you can able to apply. Even you can directly apply also, no problem. It will be attract the examiner when you are writing in splitter way, but you should be very careful about the symbol. Okay, that is x cube minus limit x approaches to minus 2 to x square plus limit x approaches to minus 2 4x plus limit x approaches to minus 2 8. So this is what? This is constant function. Constant function means we will be getting the same value. Okay, exactly the same value, 8 only we will be getting. So here it will be limit x approaches to minus 2 means minus 2 the whole cube minus limit x approaches to minus 2 2 into minus 2 the whole square plus limit x approaches to minus 2 4 into minus 2 plus 8. So now when you are solving it, we will be getting what is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2s are, it will become 4. 4 into minus 2 we will be getting minus 8. So here minus 8, here nothing but minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So 4 into 2, that is nothing but 8. Outside one negative value is there, so minus 8. Here we will be getting 4 into minus 2, that is also minus 8 plus 8 will be there. So when we are solving it, this plus 8 and minus 8 will be cancelling, or you can able to add like this way also. We'll be getting what, minus 24 into a, that is also we'll be getting 16 only. When here also we will be getting 16 only. Okay, so minus 16 is our required answer. Okay, so this is the way they will be asking for the limit problem. Okay, we'll go to the problem number 4. See, very careful. What is the thing they have given limit y plus 2 divided by y square plus 5y plus 6. You should be very careful. Okay, what is the limit they have given? Y is approaches to 2, and we know the thing L by m, where m is not equal to 0. This is very important condition, because it is what, division rule, divide rule. Okay, it is a division rule. Very important thing is m should not be equal to 0. Okay, because if it is equal to 0, if m is equal to 0 means it is what, undefined. Undefined means limit does not exceed. Okay, so we should be checking whether limit is exceed or not. Okay, we will divide the condition. So when you are solving it, how it will become? Limit y approaches, that is 2 plus 2 divided by limit y approaches to 2. Here also y approaches to 2, will be getting 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 6. So we will be getting limit y approaches to 2 is nothing but 4 divided by 2 square is 4 plus 10 plus 6. So we will be getting 4 divided by 20, that is nothing but what, 1 by 5. So our answer is what? Our answer is 1 by 5. So here, since m is not equal to 0, we can able to say limit is exceed. So everywhere you want to write limit is exceed. It is not a required exam. Limit is exceed. You want to write everywhere the limit is exceed. Okay, this is the final answer. Now here also, just you write, just a substitute in the value. Z approaches to 4, that is 4 square minus 6 10, that is nothing but what we will be getting? We will be getting 16 minus 10, that is nothing but root 6. So root 6 is what? Irrational number. Root 6 is a real number. Real number means we will be saying it what? It is defined. So limit exceeds. So do you understand? If you are getting the real number, the limits are exceed. Okay, real number. Now here, now observe the problem number 6. What is they have given in the problem number 6? Very careful. Just you see what is happening means, this one they will be asking, we want to prove it limit is exceeds or not. So for the thing, what are the conditions we can able to see? For just to use observe, given limit x is approaches to 5. So 5 minus 5 divided by 25 minus 5, 25 minus 25, we will be getting 0 divided by 0. 0 divided by 0, that is 5 minus 5, what is x square? 5 square, that is nothing but 25 minus 25. That means we will be getting 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form, it is undefined. It is undefined. We don't know. 0 is defined by 0 divided by 0. It is not a real number, no. So it is an undefined. How to make it limit exceed in here? Here the question is prove that limit exceeds or not. Prove that limit exceeds. How to prove it? So we have come with the conclusion 0 by 0 form. It is an undefined. So how to prove it limit exceeds or not? There are two conditions there. Okay, one is normal simplification. And second method is conjugative multiplication. Okay, so these are the two methods. Using this two method, either by normal simplification or by conjugative multiplication, we can prove such a kind of problem. We can prove this kind of format also, limit exceeds or not. Okay, so how to deal means we'll be calling, so limit x approaches to 5, x minus 5 divided by x square minus 25. So we have know about the formula, that is a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square, a square minus b square formula. You just observe the denominator. In denominator, what is there? In denominator there is x square minus 25, that we can able to write into x square minus 5 square. Can you write like this way? X square minus 5 square. 5 square means what? 25. So we can write this one into x plus 5 into x minus 5. Just a simplification. By simplification, what I am going to do? I'm doing limit x approaches to 5, x minus 5 divided by, I am splitting this x square minus 25, I am splitting to x plus 5 into x minus 5. Now what we can able to do? Now we can able to cancel limit approaches to 5, x minus 5 divided by plus 5 into x minus 5. I can able to cancel this x minus 5 and this x minus 5. Now what I am getting? Now I am getting limit x approaches to 5, that is x here 1 divided by x plus 5. Now apply the value. When you are applying the value, we will be getting m is not equal to 0. M is not equal to 0. So limit x approaches to 5, 1 divided by 5 plus 5. Our L value is what? Our L value is nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is what? Is a real number. It is a real number. So it is defined. So it is defined and limit exceeds. So limit exceeds. So this is the way we want to prove that. Just we want to do the simplification, that is we know the formula here. What is the formula? We know the thing, a plus b into a minus b is nothing but what? A square minus b square. When you're observing the denominator, what is exactly in same format? X square minus 25, that is nothing but what? X square minus 5 square. Okay, that we can rearrange into x plus 5, x minus 5. Okay, so this is the one kind of method we can able to do. This is sometimes they will be asked for 3 mark, or even by chance they can ask for 4 mark also. Okay, now here also just you see limit, what is the thing? They have same type of problems given t square plus t minus 2 divided by t square minus 1. So limit is approaches t to 1. Limit is t is approaches to 1. So just apply when you are getting 1 square plus 1 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means what? 1 minus 1 is nothing but, here we will be getting 2 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 1, that is nothing but what? 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form means what? Undefined. But the question is asking about what? We want to prove it. For proving that thing, we want to do either simplification or conjugative multiplication. So we will try first a simplification. Always go with the simplification first, then we will come with the conjugative multiplication. Okay, so what we can able to do? Limit t approaches to 1, t square plus t minus 2 divided by, here we are getting t square minus 1. So this is nothing but this one. It's a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation using calculator. That is, the procedure is go to the mode. In mode you can able to identify equation. In equation, after equation, there you can able to identify the degree like this way, is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This kind of condition will be there. There you want to apply a is equal to 1, because coefficient a is what? Coefficient a equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 2. This is nothing but coefficient of t square is a t square plus b t minus 2, that is c. plus c is equal to 0. Coefficient of a is what? 1. Coefficient of b is equal to 1 and c is nothing but minus 2. That's the thing you want to apply. You will be getting your root. Okay, this is the way you want to use your calculator. In scientific calculator, you should be in scientific calculator mode equation, then you will be getting the degree a x square plus bx plus c. There you will be identifying your root. Okay, so now otherwise alternative method is there. If you does not have a calculator, there is another way to identify this thing, that is product. What is the product? This is called as product. Product is what? Minus 2. Sum is what? Sum is t, that is 1. Sum is 1, product is minus 2 and sum is. What are the possibility of multiplication of 2? Getting 2 is what? 2 into 1. This is the only possibility. So what are the possibility? 2 into 1. So 2 into 1. So but I want to need negative, so I am writing here minus. If I am writing here I am substituting minus symbol. So what will happen? It will become minus 2. So this condition satisfied. But sum is what? Minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. But sum is what? Sum is plus 1. Sum is plus 1. So I need this condition also. So for that thing, what I am going to do? I am going to do first condition. This condition not satisfied. This condition not satisfied. Not satisfied. So I am going to use 2 and minus 1. 2 and minus 1. So what we will be getting? 2 only. Minus 2 only. So first condition satisfied. Now 2 minus 1, what we will be getting? 1. So second condition also satisfied because plus 1. So both the conditions are satisfied in this condition. So satisfied. So I can say upper limit is nothing but t minus t plus 2 into t minus 1 divided by t square minus 1. T square minus 1. So this one, see, this one you can able to get in calculator also. Calculator, t will be minus 2 comma 1 you will be getting. T will be minus 2 comma 1. So using calculator also you can able to identify. Okay, this is will be the value. So t plus 2 comma t minus 1, this is the value. Okay, that is t minus 2. Okay, that is t is equal to t plus 2 is equal to 0 means t is equal to minus 2 and t minus 1 equal to 0 means t equal to 1. So this is the way you will be getting in calculator. This is the thing calculator will be getting. Calculator. So we are writing in this format. So when you are writing, you are taking t equal to minus 2 means taking into the left hand direction. So we will be getting t plus 2 is equal to 0 and t equal to 1 we are taking in this direction means left hand direction means t minus 1 equal to 0. So that's the reason I'm writing in here. Now limit t approaches to 1, and when you're seeing the down value, so we can able to get the idea that is nothing but what? A square minus b square. So we'll be getting limit t approaches to 1 t plus 2 into t minus 1 divided by t plus 1 into t minus 1. So we can able to cancel t minus 1 and t minus 1. Now apply the value. So we will be getting limit t approaches to 1. So 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 1. So that is nothing but 3 by 2 is our real number, is a real number. So it is defined. So limit exceeds. It is defined and limit exceeds and limit exceeds. Okay, so this is the method. Okay, so now we will move on to the problem number 8. So that is nothing but given limit x raised to minus 1. X raised to minus 1 is nothing but 1 divided by x. Okay, anything x power minus a is nothing but 1 divided by x power a. That is a can be any number 1 2 3. Suppose x raised to minus 3 means that is nothing but 1 divided by x cube. Okay, so this is the formula. So x raised to minus 1 means that is nothing but 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. X is approaches to 1. Now apply the limit. So when we are applying the limit, it will become limit x approaches to 1 means 1 divided by 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, that is nothing but what? 0 by 0 form. Here also we are getting 0 by 0 form. So now what we can do means we want to do the simplification. So applying the simplification. So what is simplification? So what we will be getting means limit x approaches to 1, 1 by x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Now in here numerator doing simplification, what I will be getting LCM 1 by x minus 1, this is numerator. So when you are doing LCM we will be getting x 1 minus x. So this is the thing we will be getting in numerator. So numerator is limit x approaches to 1, numerator we are getting, so numerator we are getting 1 minus x divided by x divided by x minus 1. So from numerator, what I am going to do is taking minus 1 common outside or multiplying by minus, multiplying the negative, multiplying the negative symbol. So what will happen? It will become minus 1 plus x divided by x. So it will become minus 1 plus x divided by x. So limit multiplying by negative value, negative simple. So what I will be getting is x approaches to 1, what I will be getting, taking negative value. So down denominator and numerator I am taking the negative value. So minus into x plus minus 1, x minus 1 divided into x into x minus 1. This x is coming into denominator because this is also denominator and this is also denominator. So denominator will be writing in the same method. Okay, now we are getting limit x approaches to 1, we are getting minus into x minus 1 divided by x into x minus 1. Now we can able to cancel this x minus 1, x minus 1. So limit x approaches to 1, that is nothing but 1 by x. So that is our answer. Our required answer is L equal to minus 1. L equal to minus 1. It is nothing but what? Integer. No, it is an integer. You don't want to write whether it is an integer or real number. Just write it is a real number. Just write real number. So real number means what? It is defined. If it is defined, you can able to write limit exceed. You don't want to write whether it is an integer, improper, or a proper number or irrational number. You don't want to write. Just write real number because real number means it's include everything. Then it is defined or not. Okay. Now problem number 9, very important problem because here we will be doing both the kind of simplification plus conjugative multiplication. Okay, very important. Okay. So limit x approaches to 4, 4 minus x divided by 5 minus root x square plus 9. So this is the question they have given. So just apply the 4. This is step number 1. Step number 2. So when you are applying the 4, what will be getting? Limit x approaches to 4, 4 minus 4 divided by 5 minus root 4 square plus 9. So it will be 4 minus 4 0 divided by 5 minus root 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9, that is nothing but 25. 25 root 25 is what is root 25? Root 25 is 5. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So we will be getting 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form only we will be getting. So here we want to do simplification, but before doing simplification it is better to multiply by conjugative because we don't having, see, if you observe in previous sum and all, we can able to cancel this term x minus 1, here we can able to cancel, and here also we can able to cancel t minus 1. When you are simplifying directly we will be getting the cancellation process, but when you observe the ninth sum we are not able to get the cancellation function. So for that thing we will be doing the conjugative multiplication. When simplifications are not working, go with the conjugative multiplication. When simplification is not working, go with the conjugative multiplication. What is conjugative multiplication? Means just the opposite number only, opposite symbol, that is 4 minus x divided by 5 minus root x square plus 9. What is the conjugative? For example, x plus 9, this is the value. What is the conjugative of this thing? That is nothing but x minus 9. The symbol is varying. The only difference is symbol. Just observe the symbol. For example, then here what is the conjugative multiplication? For another one example, that is y minus 9 What is the conjugative value? Conjugative value is nothing but y plus 9. See, symbols are varying. So here, what is the conjugative value? Multiply and divide by conjugative in value in numerator and denominator. So what is the conjugative value? That is 5. Here minus symbol, so I am writing here plus symbol, root x square plus 9. Same thing, only just changing the symbol. That is called conjugative multiplication. And numerator and denominator. Okay, so what we will be getting? Limit x approaches to 4, x approaches to 4, 4 minus x into 5 plus root x square plus 9 divided by. Now you observe, when you are observing very carefully, this is nothing but what? A minus b, and this is nothing but what? A plus b. You can able to get why we are multiplying the conjugative, means we are to get a minus b into a plus b. That is nothing but what? A square plus b square. Now a square minus b square. So we know the thing, a minus b into a plus b is nothing but what? A square minus b square. So we can write what is a square? A is here 5 and b is nothing but root x square plus 9. So just write it. So when you are writing, we will be getting 5 square minus this square root. When you are, it is going, it will become x square, that is root x square plus 9 the whole square. So we will be getting root x square plus 9 the whole square, that is a square minus b square. This is a plus b. Okay, so now you should be very careful here. Very important step is there. So limit 4 minus x into, we will be getting 5 plus root x square plus 9 divided by what? X approaches to 4. Here nothing but 25 minus 25 minus, should be very careful when you are removing the root. When we are removing the root, it will become, should be very careful, square root 2 the whole square, means that is nothing but what? 2 only. Reason, because we square root and squares are cancelling, square root and squares are cancelling. So here we will be getting x plus 9, x square plus 9. So now just observe when I am applying this one step. So very careful, carefully observe. We want to carefully approach. Reason, when you see, just observe the reason. See, when I am applying x is equal to 4, what will happen? 4 minus 4. Here see, 4 minus 4, what will happen? 4 minus 4, that is 0 only, plus here also we will be getting 16, that is 25, divided by 25 minus what we will be getting? 4 means 4 square, 16 plus 9. So what we will be getting? We will be getting 4 minus 4, that is 0 into 5 plus root 5 plus 10. Here 25. Here we will be getting 25 minus 25. See, 25 minus 25. 16 plus 9, 25. So here also we are getting what? 0 by 0 form. Now we know, because we have done the conjugative multiplication. Step number 1, we have done the conjugative multiplication. Now you know the how to cancelize the power by doing simplification. Limit x approaches to 4, that is 4 minus x 5 plus root x square plus 9 divided by what is there here? Here nothing but 25 minus x square plus 9, 25 x square plus 9. So what I want to do? I want to do simplification. We want to do simplification. Otherwise it will become, if you are not doing simplification, it will become what? 0 by 0 form, undefined. We want to prove it defined. For that reason, we want to simplify. How to simplify means, just we know the thing, that is limit x approaches to 4, that is nothing but we will be getting 4 minus x into 5 plus root x square plus 9. So this is nothing but we will be getting 25 minus x square minus 9. This minus is multiplied by both sides. This minus is multiplied for this one also and for this one also. Okay, so what we will be getting? We will be getting limit x approaches to 4 minus x into 5 plus root x square plus 9 Here 25 minus 9, that is nothing but 16. So 16 minus x square. We are getting 16 minus x square. What is 16 minus x square? 16 minus x square. Denominator. Denominator 16 minus x square is what? 16 minus x square, we can able to write a square minus b square. Can we write like this way? A square minus b square. That is 16 is nothing but 4 square minus x square. So a is what? A is 4, b is equal to x. So we can able to write a plus b into a minus b. So we can able to write limit x approaches to 4, 4 minus x into 5 plus root x square plus 9 divided by, here what we will be getting? 4 plus x into 4 minus x. 4 plus x into 4 minus x. So now we can able to cancel this one. So limit x approaches to 4, 4 minus x into 5 plus root x square plus 9 divided by 4 plus x into 4 minus x. So we can cancel this 4 minus x, 4 minus x. Now very simple. We will be getting the directly limit exit. So limit x approaches to 4 means we will be getting 5 plus. So this is nothing but 5, 4 square, that is 4 square is 16 plus 9 divided by 4 plus 4, that is 8. So we will be getting 5 plus, this is 5 divided by 8, we will be getting, that is nothing but 10 by 8. So our answer is limit x approaches to 4, that is nothing but we will be getting 5 divided by 4, which is what? Real number. Real number means what? It is a defined. So we can say limit exceeds. So limit exceeds. So this is the method. The thing is the procedure. What is the procedure you want to know? Means very simple procedure. First, normally applying. Procedure is normal substitution. Normal substitution of value. Normal substitution of value like x or t, what are the thing they have given, just apply the normal substitution. Then if you are getting 0 by 0 form, 0 by 0 form or infinity or infinity or infinity power 0 or infinity divided by infinity, like this kind, such a kind of undefined form, undefined form you are getting means what we want to do. And this is undefined form. When you are getting means we want to do simplification. Simplification. In simplification also you are not able to get the answer means go with the conjugative multiplication. Conjugative multiplication. After doing conjugative multiplication, go with the process of simplification and we will be getting the required answer. So real numbers we will be getting real numbers, that is nothing but what? Defined and limit exceeds. So this is the procedure. Okay, this is the procedure. Okay, so we will be seeing in our next class, and the classes will be available